What's going on, guys? It is your boy CryptoMykel here, coming today with an FPGA update. We have not had to have one of these in a good minute, and today is the day that we get a new bitstream, which is not only a new bitstream, but it is a in-house bitstream. So this one is actually created by the Osprey team, and this is a PyrinhashV 18 plus gigahash. If you have a E100 VU35P or VU9P. So as it stands right now, this is only for the VU9P and 35. There will be support for the VU33 and 13P chips here soon. And then as well, there is another bitstream coming out for the VU33Ps and also the 13Ps. Excludes the 9Ps. So stay tuned for that one. But today we're going to talk about and get up and running PyrinhashV2 on the E100 VU9P that I have. So we're going to go ahead and install, which we already have, the new version of the Osprey firmware. So in order to run this, the best thing for you to do, of course, is go to your miner configuration, go ahead and stop your miner, and after that is done, go to update firmware, go from automatic to manual, click save, apply successful, and then you will get the drop down bar. So click browse, open that up, and then we can update the firmware on the VU9P. This one is not available for the 33P yet, so do not flash your 33P. Soon. Very soon. So your device will, of course, like reboot, whatever, and you'll have this. You'll go back to like the main board screen, and then just go back to your firmware version. Make sure it's the one we just selected. So pretty cool. We do have a new center management setting, which not for us, but intrigued to know what this is. But anyway, we're gonna go back to the miner. Now we're gonna go back to stopping the miner. And then we're going to go change our voltage. And then we are going to change the configuration. So, 1 second. So while we wait, so this is, remember, this is made by the Osprey team. So super excited to see some in-house bitstreams. That way, you know, things don't have to, you don't have to wait on third parties or anything. This is straight from the team, which could mean in a lower dev fee. I think it's 10% for this one, which sometimes they're higher than that. So it's good to see that we have a lower fee here for this. Now, this, like I said, is for the 33. This is not for the 33 or the 13P chips. This is only for the 35 and the VU9P currently. So do keep that in mind. The pool that they did test on was Cryptex, HeroMiner, and Humpool. They seem to work seamlessly. I'm going to try Unmineable anyway, just to see if it even works. But let's go ahead and see about these clocks. So we're going to set our VCC to 730. And then we are going to set our clocks to 450. So 730. We are currently at 738. So let's leave that there. 730. And then we will go to Osprey. So we're going to have to change this and change this. We're on Pyrin. Our clock needs to be 730. We're going to try Unmineable just to see if it'll even work. Go there. Yeah, see, the Etika stream that we were just using for BMBTC was 15%. So we will be shaving 5% off on that. Now we just need to put it in the wallet. Alright, so we are good to go. Clock needs to be set. Oh my gosh. Even though we have a only one board, we have to set all the clocks. It's fine. So you're getting to see it here, guys. An Osprey Bitstream. Let's go. Alright, so after getting the core set to 450 and setting in Stratum plus TCP, it did connect to the pool. So confirmed, does work on unminable as we speak. And after all setting all of that, we get looks like 5.4 gigahashes at the current hash rate. No hardware errors. We got good solutions for 5.4 gigahashes mining for on unminable. So confirmed, does work on unminable. FA to that. So that does put us at 5.4 at the 450 on the core and 730 on the millivolts. So if we had a E300 version of this, we would officially achieve 16.2 gigahashes. Now we do not know the wattage just yet. I'm gonna go and check that wattage real fast, and I will report back. So let's just give this thing a second to see if it changes in hash rate at all, gets better, gets worse, and then I'm gonna check our wattage on the meter. So be right back. All right, so even on the other setting, for 500 on the clock and 80, it's about 83, got it down to about 82 on the voltage, or 820. We're about 6 gigahashes on the device for not that impressive a wattage. So if my calculations are correct, this right here is the VU9P for the 35P. Actually, our boy Nemesis has a 35P, so a E100 VU9P at the lowest setting would get 16.2 gigahashes for about 447 watts. And then for the the E100 version, you get about 5.4 gigahashes at 149 watts, if I'm not mistaken. For whatever reason, my meter's reading like 700 watts, and I know that's not correct. Like, I know it. I physically know it's not correct. So something's up with the meter. Stingler, actually, in Discord, he had the exact same outcomes, and I would assume this is correct. With the difference in voltage, for the 6 gigahash version, you're pushing about 245 watts, if I'm not mistaken, on the metered wattage. And then with the E300 version, you're pushing, of course, 18 gigahashes, as it is a 18 gigahash bitstream. This does work on unminable. I wouldn't leave it on unminable because after fees, it's going to eat you alive. Because really 5.4 gigahashes for 149 watts nets you about a penny a day, or before electric 33 cents. So if we bump that up to 6 and 245, you are, then again, I don't know if this is actually correct. So yeah, I think something's a little off. I'm not sure what it is. So anyway, this is exactly how to update to the new beta firmware for your E100, E300, VU35P, or VU9B to mine the PyrinhashV2 algorithm and mine Pyrin. So super shout out to the Osprey team for building their own bitstream, guys. Super proud of y'all. Can't wait to see what else y'all do and ready for the next release. Much love, guys. Be sure to hit the like button, subscribe button, that bell notification, and if you like to pick up your own Osprey device, there are a number of codes down in the description below that you can choose to get discounts on all of the devices down below. The VU33P, the 35P, the 9P, and maybe even soon we'll have a 13P discount. You heard it here. Catch you on the flip side, guys. Much love. Peace out. Stay freaking savage. Keep your hash rates up. Your watts down low. We will see you guys on the next one. Peace.